Hey dude. Right here is all my new equipment. Yay. Okay. Well, first, let's get started with the brand new combine. Here we have the new Holand TR Twin Turbo 98 combine. I don't know if you can see it right there. Swings out like this. This combine, I don't know if it was, I looked on Google and it said it was first made in 1998. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think I watched someone else's videos and they had one of these too, so if you know anything about them, please tell me. But anyways, this is to replace my old case combine. So yeah, it was a gift for Easter from my grandparents. So yeah, and these came together here. And I'll move stupid trailers here. Let me get you close up here. Oh yeah, and this came with an 8-row corn head and 8-row bean head. That's pretty much it. So yeah, and then we got this I got at Walmart for about $10. The truck, or I don't know what kind of truck. I don't think it's Kenworth, but anyway, just a John Deere semi with a flatbed, and it came with this John Deere. It's a cheaply made John Deere. Don't see, there's no brand on it. There's no numbers, but yeah, so you could call it whatever you want. I'm gonna say it's like a 90-27, I think. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, it pivots really nicely, like almost too nicely. But yeah, anyway, but the cheaply made trailer, plastic. I'm not too fond of that. But yeah, anyway, the semi's actually made out of metal and plastic, which makes me kind of happy. So if I wanted to paint over the John Deere symbol, I could use it as a regular semi and get a corn trailer or something. So yeah. Anyways, just a tiller, just to go and till in the fields. My grandma, I found it at my grandpa's. She said I could have it because he collects tractors. But anyway, yeah, this is a 8874 dual. It's duals. This tractor, what I'm going to mainly use on the farm, is for tilling, and when I get my humongous planter, planting. I could have gotten a 16-row planter, but I don't need it. I mean, that's just too big for me right now. I mean, I have barely any fields, so yeah. This next one's a TO 285 New Holland tractor. It's pretty big. It is the size, but if you compare these two, it's pretty big. I'll compare it to my 4044, and then we'll compare it to the well, these are about the same size, but if you compare these both are about the same size, and then this is a little smaller than all of them. So it's pretty small compared to all of them, but yeah. So yeah. So that is it for that. But I guess since I showed you all my new equipment, I should show you the new farm. Again, it's been changed. Clear clear off a spot up on this shelf. Yeah, so there's two separate farms. There's that farm, and then there's a big farm right there. This farm over here, I still need to get a planter and combine for it. So yeah, there's my old combine here, missing the back wheels for parts. I kind of busted it on a wall a bunch of times and hit it with a hammer, so yeah. So I'll show you the farm. This truck here is just, yeah, I should show you in another video, but anyway, so I'll show you the farm over here right now. So there's a new elevator there. But anyway, farm here is pretty much just like, they just help out the neighbors and everything. They'll help out the farm next to them. The farm that has the combine, so they'll just pretty much help them out, like hauling wagons and everything. And that's basically all they do. So yeah, but yeah, sorry, you can't remember what to say, but anyways, yeah, that's basically it for that farm. Besides of the fact that this tractor over here should be in it. Right there. Yeah, it's sort of full of vehicles, as you can see, so yeah. The house still isn't done. Still. This is a field now. It might be a feedlot later on in the year, so yeah. As I said, don't know, but yeah. Here's a bunch of trailers, like storage trailers and horse trailers, and then the tiller sits over here. Then we got these. I don't know what they're called. Someone tell me. Someone used to use something like this too, and I copied your idea. So if you're mad at me, just tell me and I'll stop it. And you use them for something else. But yeah. But this here is an auger. Just something like the trailer would pull up here, and then dump grain into the trailer. And so yeah, and this is what I'm using. This will be hauling this probably the entire thing in stop motions up. Sorry I haven't had any stop motions up. They just take a lot of time, and I need a new video camera because I'm using my laptop and webcam. So yeah, and all I do in my machine shed is store this one, store that tractor, and put in the stuff that needs to be fixed. That's this half, and then the auger thing, and then there's one over there. And this one's shorter. So yeah. So then over here we got the 4-row planter, the bean head, and the corn head. So yeah. Then over in this one is where I store this tractor and the combine. And I like the combine a lot, so I'm probably never going to sell it unless I get a newer one. Well, I still probably won't sell it, but yeah. And then, yeah, I'm running down on time here. I got about 40 seconds to tell you everything else. We just got this little wagon here, and this the 4440 right here. So yeah. Well, that's about it. The elevator, and this is a field over here. So, yeah.